to me, Dark One. Me. Disclaimer. I don't own the characters in this fic or what this fic is about, okay? I don't own Corpse Party or Battle Block Theatre. Hattie. Does Perham Purbottom's hat suit me? Me. Full stop, full stop, full stop. Me. Go home, Hattie, or possessed. Hattie. X_X. Me. Things. Now it's come to an end. We tried so hard, but lost it all. And you were my best friend. You were my Hattington. Hattie Hattington. On with the fic. So Hattie, Carmisa and the ghost decided to throw another corpse party in honor of Hattie and Carmisa's wedding. Ooh, this is so much fun, the ghost said while dancing with her zombie boyfriend. A.N.? It's a corpse party. You, the zombie said while pointing at the floor. Oh, Hattie, Carmisa said with passion. This is so romantic. Yes, it is. Too bad Perham Furbottom is haunting this hat, Hattie said. Lol, now we have ghosts, zombies, and possessed hats at this party, Carmisa said. And friends, of course. Authors not. I hope you understood the moral of the story. I named it Battle Block Therapist because you will need therapy after reading this poorly written abomination.